Hello, my name is Vincent Wandra. I'm the owner of Bootstrap Business Solutions, or BBS, located in Wisconsin in the United States. I'd like to apply for your job that I found on Odesk. One of the things I would like to do is quick showcase some of the existing work that we've done within the last month or so, so you get an idea of the type of quality of work that we do and the way some of our, from a graphic design and e-commerce standpoint, as well as some of the pieces that are functioning inside of the site itself. So this is our home page, which we of course did the own design. We came up with the logo, the design scheme, and everything else for it. It is a fully widgeted home page on WordPress website. So each of these sections is a widget, and we can easily swap out the information that is appearing. If we reload the page, you can see the home page slider in action. It does have several different functionalities, different fade-ins, etc. This is all running off of jQuery, so it is going to, and it is fully mobile responsive, so this will work fine on a tablet, an iPad, an iPhone, a Mac, or a PC. My sites always look great on every single platform that we run them across. Some of the other sites that we've done, this is one that I'm currently in the midst of finishing up some final design work on it. It's for a company called Turnkey Technologies, and they are offering Microsoft's Lync product, Lync. And so we were tasked by them to design a Metro designed interface that's going to match some of the functionality and the live tiles, etc., that are being used in the Windows 8 environment. So taking that, we have very similar tile type navigation menu, social media icons, different widgeted areas down here as well that all mimic that type of functionality. We also have implemented a similar slider on the home page, and you can see the dynamic features load up as it goes through this particular website. Again, I'd mentioned this site is designed to look like a Microsoft website, and so it does all the way down to the font styles being used. It looks very, very Microsoft-ish. Another website that we've done for a salon, this is the Renaissance Hair Salon in Day Spa. We actually did this site. I personally designed this website several years ago. We are actually in the midst of doing a complete makeover of this site just because they have new owners. They love the old website, but it doesn't reflect their new logo, which you can currently see on their Contact Us page. The logo is a little bit different, and due to the style of the logo, it's not going to work on a black background up here, so we have to do some design freshening on it. But this is a very typical of a beautiful website. We're very proud of this one. They've gotten rave reviews on it from all their customers. On a lower end, we do smaller websites like Caveman Communications. This is to get people to sign up for a email newsletter. And we also do e-commerce sites. This is a site that I launched about a month ago now. Our client at movingboxesnow.com is incredibly happy with this website. Since we set them up with a new e-commerce solution and shopping cart, the new design, integrated social media throughout the entire website, like this Yelp bar at the top, as well as integrating social media sharing, the like, the tweet, the G+, the pin, every other social media sharing service you can possibly think of throughout the globe is integrated into the existing website to make it easy for people to talk about it, tweet about it online, and organically rise in search engine optimization. This website also has on-page search optimization done on every single page and every single product on the website. So the longer the website is around, the higher it is rising in the search engine rankings. When we launch a site, we have 3 different products listed here. This product are listed lower on the home page than I typically do. Normally we would move this widget up to here so people can see it right away, but this was done to the specifications of the client. It does have an integrated video in the slider. You can put in text, images, links, etc. The shop pages look very similar to this. This is a product the customer themselves added to the website. It's incredibly easy to do. We'll actually look at that product. I got a sale built into it, short description. Down here in the bigger product description area, you can put in images, videos, as much or as little text as you would like. It also has a built-in review system, so customers can come out here and review your items. There are several product widgets available. In this case, the only widget we are using is the shopping cart widget, which therefore then takes you to the checkout page. Customers can have coupons. They can also Depending on how we configure the website, they can either have a login into your website so they can check their previous orders or the status of their order, or we can turn that functionality off. Right now, this particular site is cash on delivery or PayPal. There are up to 98 current other payment gateways available for the shopping cart tool that I like to use. One of the things we include with every single one of my websites is trainings on how to use your website. As well as, if you would like, we'll do a video walkthrough of it so you can see how everything fits together. Now, this is a demo e-commerce website that we have, so we can showcase some of the functionality to our clients. It is incredibly easy to update our e-commerce sites. It's a matter of coming out to products. You can see all of your existing products. I'm just going to open up an existing one so you can see where all the text would go. Put in the title, put in your short description up here at the top, you pick your category, product images, additional product images, and then there is a place to add in like different colors and different sizes, and this we have built into the system. So if you have a t-shirt and it's got a bunch of different colors, you just drag and drop it in. If you got sizes ranging from small to extra large or double XL, you just drop this information into the website itself. Hit update and the product is automatically added into the appropriate area on the store. It will show up in the overall shop grid on the in this grid right here automatically. You don't manually have to do that. I'm a big believer in keeping websites as easy and automatic as possible, and to that end, all the tools that I use on your website are very powerful. They have support teams behind them, and they make your life easier and not harder. I'd like to hear a little bit more about your individual product in your business and figure out some things that I can do to help you succeed online. My name is Vincent Wandra. I'm the owner of Bootstrap Business Solutions based out of Wisconsin in the United States, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you very much.